Right, we're all aboard the Ferguson FE35 from 1957, petrol TVO, and we'll make sure the fuel's on. Round here, down there. Where is he? There he is, fuel's on. You have to have these in neutral to start them because they've got inhibitor switches. So we make sure they're all in neutral. Depress the clutch pedal, saves the strain on the engine when starting up and helps the clutch and things. Out with a choke. Little bit of throttle, down with the clutch there, and then hopefully we'll turn the key and she'll go. We need to get the transport box up as well. Up he comes. And we're away. What a glorious day. That's the foot brake on. How's that for a tick over? Jubbly jubbly. That's the best bit, I like that. Bobs up and down, it's great. Stop the water going down as well when it rains, and today it's not. Ha-ha. Got a new fan belt. It's had brand new Morris's classic oil and a filter. Got a new seat. And this is really useful. Oh, there's my shadow. Excellent. This has got tine forks on it underneath. One pin. And then you can remove the transport box and you've got a set of forks. So you can move pallets with your stationary engines on. How good is that? Oh, look at them tyres, they're great. Anyway, there you go. Ferguson FE35 petrol TVO from 1957. Notified off-road at the moment, and I've got all the V5 document and stuff. But sadly, I think I'm going to have to part with her. Anyway, thanks for watching.